Did you know that Japan's junk minivans are still using in Philippines? From Japan, they will cut it to look like a trash and sold it in Philippines. Suzuki minivans are carefully shipped straight from Japan, known for reliability, efficiency, and smart engineering. Once they arrive, they rebuild and customize them locally. Convert the steering wheel from right to left, engine checks, interior upgrades, safety inspections, built for Philippine roads and families. Perfect for business, daily drives, or long trips with the whole crew. Fuel efficient, durable, and practical. Suzuki minivans, imported with precision, built with care, and sold ready for your journey.